Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zuzalu Inu token. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 16th. This is an ERC20 token. We're going to go over the information on the Zuzalu Inu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is pretty plain. If you go to zuzalu.lol, at the top of the page it says Missed Shib by Zuzalu. Then it has a Zuzalu face, and then it has a link to their Telegram, has a link to their Twitter, their DEX tools chart, their contract address. It says tokenomics, LP burnt, contract renounced. Then it's got a picture of Vitalik Buterin with a like a magician's outfit on, and he's making a cauldron filled with Zuzalu tokens. So that's always amazing. And then it just has the links at the bottom of the page again. So that is their entire webpage. So do not go to their webpage for information because there is none there. It is just links. But if you want links and the contract address, that's the place to go. So their Telegram at Zuzalu Inu has 3,316 subscribers. All it says is decentralized. And then it has a link to their Twitter and a link to their webpage, zuzalu.lol. But that is a great place to join and learn information regarding this token. Now, it's safe to assume that this is very much just a meme token, but there is a bunch of info that we're going to go over here in a second. So, ticker symbol is Zuzalu. Name of the token, Zuzalu, and then space Inu. This token just got listed today, January 16th at 7:30 UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, it's already listed because it's already past that time. All you would have to do is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Zuzalu, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their newest tweet, it says, "We are here at Vitalik Buterin." Of course, they're tweeting at him because this is an ERC20 token. And then just has a picture of the token on there. So, I mean, they love Vitalik Buterin. Which brings me to, if you wanted to buy this token off a decentralized exchange, you can get it off Uniswap. Now, the logo has been added to Uniswap, so it's not like one of them weird custom tokens with no profile picture or name or anything. But yeah, you could see the logo on there if you use Uniswap. And they're claiming 3 hours ago, it says, "We will break 50 million market cap before the next central exchange listing." So I guess there is going to be more central exchange listings coming in the future. Maybe some big ones. We'll have to see. But as of now, it's on Poloniex. And there was a bunch of tokens listed on Poloniex today. Maybe I'll do a couple videos on some of the other ones. But they are in the 24-hour gainers. So this token is one of the 24-hour gainers here. And they actually went up 2,423.22%. Who knows what it's at now, though, because obviously crypto is super volatile. But it's paired with USDT, and it shows the price of 1.63 cents on Poloniex, and yeah, they went up over 2,400%. So that was the top gainer. And then the other ones, one of the other gainers was a troll token, which also got listed on MEXC Global. I just posted a video about the troll token, so check that token out as well. If you're not subscribed to this channel, hit subscribe. Hit that join button too if you want to help support the channel. I make daily crypto videos posting these new coins for you guys out here. And I appreciate every single one of you. And if you really appreciate this channel, hit that join button or support on Patreon. So anyways, you can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Zuzalu token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Zuzalu.lol. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We're going to go over that in just 1 second here. But yeah, their Twitter is a great place to find updates. They have 50 tweets so far. They just joined in August 2023. Brand new project. Almost 1,000 followers so far. 959 followers. And I'm going to put that right up on the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. But they definitely did well today. The chart was booming today. And they were #1 today on Poloniex, so that's pretty cool too. It looks like they have different language pages as well. So to non-English speaking countries, they have a couple Asian pages here, and yeah, so we'll check this out. Maybe they'll be listed on Gate soon because they posted a Gate retweet here, and they also are on CoinGecko. You could find them on CoinGecko. So they just posted the CoinGecko link. And it looks like they're also on xt.com. So you could also get this token off XT as of January 15th. So tons of new listings here. So maybe that's why they did very well today. They got the XT listing and the Poloniex listing today. But yeah, let's get to the tokenomics here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools, and DEX Tools is going to give you tons of info. You'll probably be able to buy this token off DEX Tools as well, another decentralized way like Uniswap. But it says here their market cap, their total market cap right now is $20.19 million, doing very well here. 24-hour trading volume is a little bit over 25 million today. Is that correct? Wow, that's a lot. 25 million today? I thought that was 25,000, but it's got an M there. So I guess $25 million trading volume today. Wow, that's a lot. And then it says they have 4.35 thousand holders. So 4,350 holders right now. That's a lot of holders. It says total supply of this token is 999.3 million tokens. Now, Uniswap liquidity is $964,000 in liquidity. They have basically 185.02 pooled ETH in the Uniswap pool, and they have 22.78 million Zuzalu tokens in there. Their DEX score is 99 out of 99. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, and there is no buy and sell taxes if you are going to buy and sell this token from a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or DEX Tools. But there is 3 warnings on their audit. So let's go over the warnings here. So there's an anti-whale warning, and there's a max sell ratio warning, and there's an other risks warning. So check out their warnings there. Not the worst warnings, but you know, there's still warnings, and always review the audits to make sure you're okay with the token before purchasing, of course. Always review, always do your own research. That is the motto. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.